Hi guys, I'm looking two pairs for Monday. The first is Euro USD and second is Euro CAD, which is a little bit similar. In Friday, I got the news of high volume. With the high volume news kicks in toward it breaks this congestion towards north with the high volume. So I'm looking it as a buy. Not a good buy. This one actually. Out of 28 pairs, those two are but now is the best ones. So I'm looking Euro USD, Euro CAD for now, but in UK session Monday, if there is another other pair which have more potential than this, so I may be interested on that. For me, this one making already made his test number one, and this is the separation. So I need test number two, struggling and V-formation kind of thing, and hovering around this bridge area or between these support areas, then I may be interested on buy this one. And the similar EuroCAD, which has same volume pop out to the north, and this is the first test. This is arguable that this is test number one or not, but it makes lower low and lower high sequence on Euro USD. So correlation of the Euro pairs, I'm taking it as a test number one, and this is the separation, this piece, and here I'm also waiting for the test number two, struggling. Then I may be interested on buy, and my TP are both maybe the highest point of this chat, which is 49208 mark here. Let's see.